Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic that is haloarine. In the last class we discussed regarding the chemical properties of haloalkane. Haloarine, we know these are the halogen derivative of aromatic compound, and this compound haloarine must contain one benzenoid ring which indicates aromatic derivatives. So haloarine, first we will discuss the preparation of haloarine. Preparation of haloarine, it can be prepared by different methods. First method we can say that from diazonium salt. If you take diazonium salt, that is called BDC, the short form is BDC, benzene diazonium chloride. If you take benzene diazonium chloride and reacts with cuprous halides, means X indicate what? Chlorine, bromine. Then you will get haloarine. Cl. Suppose if you take chlorine, that will be Cl. You can write better. It is X. In form of X we can write, that is haloarine. Main product is haloarine, then side product is N2. So preparation of haloarine, this reaction is called Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction. This is called Sandmeyer reaction. Preparation of haloarine from BDC using cuprous chloride. This is called Sandmeyer reaction. Chlorobenzene, bromobenzene can be prepared. But how can we prepare iodobenzene? It is specific. This method only you have to prepare in this way. BDC will be taken. Then you react with Ki. Then you will get iodobenzene. Chlorobenzene, bromobenzene can be prepared by a Sandmeyer reaction, and iodobenzene can be prepared by reaction with BDC with potassium iodide plus nitrogen. So you will prepare this. But how can you prepare fluorobenzene? Same, you have to take BDC. BDC with fluoroboric acid, HBF4. When this will be heated, produce N2 plus BF4 minus. When it will be heated, it will produce fluorobenzene. It gives fluorobenzene plus BF3 plus nitrogen. This is a side product. So chlorobenzene, bromobenzene can be prepared by Sandmeyer reactions. Iodobenzene can be prepared by same BDC with Ki, and fluorobenzene can be prepared by this reaction with BDC and HBF4, fluoroboric acid. And this reaction is called as what? Boltzmann reaction. Boltzmann. You have to write down the whole name reaction, different color pen you can use, so that you, when you do self-study, when you refer your class notes, you can know immediately the name reaction. So please always use different color pen to mark the name reaction. Sandmeyer reaction, this is Sandmeyer reaction, and this is your called what? Boltzmann reaction, formation of fluorobenzene from BDC. So these are the very important preparation of haloarine. Similarly, haloarine can be prepared from direct aromatic compounds, hydrocarbon. If you take benzene with chlorine in presence of Lewis acid, aluminum chloride or ferric chloride, you can take also, or ferric chloride, your product is fluorobenzene. This reaction is called chlorination of aromatic compound, halogenation. In case of halogenation of benzene, it produces, this reaction is called electrophilic substitution. It is called electrophilic halogenation. Specific reaction, electrophilic halogenation of aromatic compound. But in this reaction, in this step, the iodobenzene, fluorobenzene generally not easily prepared. Iodobenzene is very slow reaction, the amount of product will be very less. As fluorine is very reactive towards hydrocarbon, that's why direct fluorobenzene cannot be prepared. Okay, so in this way we can prepare also haloarine. That another step also you can use, if you use substituted benzene, that suppose this is toluene, it is also aromatic hydrocarbon. If take same chlorine in presence of aluminum chloride, it produce orthopara product. Here the product will be same CH3, but chlorine will be substituted either ortho position plus para position. Either orthochlorobenzene or parachlorotoluene will form. That depends upon the nature of alkyl group present. So as R is a orthopara directing group, that's why the product is orthochlorotoluene or parachlorotoluene will form. But how can we prepare that these are all are halogenation at the ring position, the ring substituted product. In all cases ring position. But how can you substitute this compound in that side chain substitution? For example, if you take toluene, if you use chlorine and light or heat, the product will be benzyl chloride. This is called side substitution product. Here also it is also halogenation, but here the substitution at plus side chain. But here the substitution at ring. So ring substituted halogen compound and side chain substituted compound both are also one type of haloarine. It is also one aromatic haloarine. This is aromatic compound because derivative of toluene. This is called benzyl chloride. BC, benzyl chloride. This is your toluene. This is toluene and this is your benzyl chloride. So another substitution can be done using this substitution is ring substitution, side chain substitution, and here both halogenation, chlorination, bromination are a specific condition we have to use for preparation of fluorobenzene, iodobenzene and bromine. So these are main important method of preparation of haloarine. But haloarine, if you see the properties, what are the properties of haloarine? What are the properties? Properties, first one is Already you know that it is haloarine. Suppose example, this is chlorobenzene, is less polar than which one? Haloalkane. Less polar. Less polar. This is very important. Polarity is very less. Why the polarity of haloarine is less? If you see this here, it has resonance. If you see, resonance will be like this towards. So this is the direction of resonance, mesomeric effect. And chlorine is present means this is your inductive effect. So resonance and inductive effect in opposite direction, so less polar. So it is less polar. Which is less polar? Your haloarine is less polar, but here written, you write better, you will be confused. Don't write, you should not write here, then you will be confused. This is your less polar. Haloarine is less polar because mesomeric effect, this is your mesomeric effect, and this is your inductive effect. So inductive effect, this is I, this is minus I. Inductive effect and resonance, this is your plus M towards the ring. Resonance and inductive effect both in opposite direction, and that's why less polarity. Polarity is less. But in case of Rx, it is in one direction, partially negative, partially positive. That's why haloalkanes are more polar than haloarine. This is your first characteristics. Then second one, if you see that solubility, less soluble in water, almost insoluble, very less soluble in water, almost insoluble, haloarine, due to less polarity and hydrophobic phenyl group. As it has hydrophobic phenyl group, and the solubility is very less compared to haloalkane. If you see the solubility comparison, then first will be Rx, then ARX. Short form is, we can write haloarine as short form of haloarine is two forms, PHX or ARX or C6H5X. In three way you can write haloarine, PHX, ARX or 6H5X. Both are the general formula of haloarine. So very less soluble in water, the solubility of haloalkane is more than the haloarine in water. Then another thing, if you see the boiling point, BP. BP order is same like your haloalkane. Ri will be greater than Rbr, will be greater than, okay, this is your RCl greater than Rf. Similarly here ARI will be greater than ARBr, greater than ARCl, greater than ARF, because larger mass, greater boiling point. So this is your monohalogen derivative of what? Aromatic compound. And the order is iodine greater than bromine, greater than chlorine, greater than fluorine. Due to large size, more van der Waals force, that's why boiling point is more. But in case of dihalogen derivative, for dihalogen derivative, the boiling point order is, suppose you know there are two derivatives. This is your ortho, this is your ortho, then this is your para, this is your para, this is your meta. This is your ortho dichlorobenzene, this is your para dichlorobenzene, this is your meta dichlorobenzene. This is the boiling point order. This is the BP order. BP, boiling point. But boiling point, and if you see melting point order, if you see, Melting point order will just opposite. Melting point will be first will be para, then ortho, then meta. This is your melting point. Melting point of dichloro dihalogen derivative of aromatic compounds, that is benzene. Para greater than ortho. Why para isomer has higher melting point? Because if you see the structure, para isomer structure, if you see, it has more symmetry. This is more symmetry. As it has more symmetry, close packing is better, that's why melting point is more. But in case of boiling point, depends upon polarity. As para isomer has less polar, more symmetry, but polarity is less. Because this is your dipole moment direction, this is your dipole moment direction. Both are opposite. Chlorine towards downward, the upper chlorine towards upward. That's why dipole moment is less. That's why it is boiling point is less. But melting point depends upon symmetry. If molecule has symmetrical structure, then the close packing will be better, then the melting point will be more. So this is the regarding what? Melting point, boiling point of, and the solubility and the polarity of the haloarine. Now we will discuss regarding the chemical properties of haloarine. Okay, the chemical property, if you discuss chemical properties, chemical nature, if you discuss, before discussing the chemical properties, one thing I want to tell you, that chemical property haloarine, if you see the resonance structure of haloarine, if you see, this is the structure of haloarine. Haloarine has resonance like this. This is the first resonance structure of aromatic compound. This is the double bond, become plus, this is minus, this is like this. If you see if you do similarly like this, if you do repetition, then if you see ortho position and para position, the negative charge is produced. The negative charge mainly produced are ortho and para. Ortho position getting and para position getting more negative charge, and the double bond is produced. That's why as double bond is produced, double bond character means the bond strength is increasing. That's why this halogen cannot be easily replaced by nucleophile. That's why the nucleophilic, that the action towards nucleophile is very slow. That means almost we can say this ordinary condition, it does not show nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction does not show. This haloarine does not show nucleophilic substitution because this chlorine cannot be easily replaced, because due to resonance it gets double bond nature. Due to increasing bond strength of CCl bond, it cannot be replaced by nucleophile. That's why it does not give nucleophilic substitution reaction, but it gives electrophilic substitution, because this chlorine, due to resonance, the electron density, that is, we can say this is a plus M. This is effect is called plus M. Plus M means it is a electroactivating groups. Halogen is a electroactivating groups because it supply electron towards the ring due to resonance. So this is a mesomery effect. Plus M, due to plus M, the electron density around the ring increases, so electrophile can easily attack to the benzene ring, because benzene ring also electron source, acts as electron source due to pi electron cloud. But when it is attached to halogen, halogen immediately forms resonance with the benzene ring and it is supply extra electron, the lone pair electron towards the benzene ring. That's why electron density around the benzene ring increases. That's why it is more reactive towards electrophile instead of nucleophile. That's why all haloarine mainly shows electrophilic substitution reaction. Which reaction shows? Mainly electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution reaction at what position? Electrophilic substitution at a position ortho and para. Mainly what position? Ortho plus para product. These are two products are produced. Okay. So you complete, you write down quickly, then I will. So why haloarine does not react with nucleophile? Why the nucleophilic substitution is very slow? Because there are three factors there. Slow nucleophilic substitution. In case of which one? In case of haloarine. Number one is, you see that due to double bond nature, due to double bond nature of C and X bond, CX bond becomes double bond due to resonance. So bond strength increases. This is the one cause. Second cause is, as in haloarine, the carbon has sp2 hybridization. As it has sp2 hybridization, sp2 hybridization means more s character. As s character is more, so the electronegativity of this carbon of haloarine is more. That's why the bond that the bonded electron is more tightly bonded by the carbon atom of benzene due to more sp2 character. But in Rx, in case of Rx, that is, it is sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization means less s character. If s character is less, the electronegativity is less, so polarity of bond will be less. But in case of here, this bond is more polar due to what? Due to more electronegativity of carbon. Due to more electronegativity, the strength of bond increases between chlorine and carbon. That's why due to sp2 hybridization, the bond strength of CX bond of haloarine is stronger compared to which one? Haloalkane. That's why it cannot be easily replaced by the nucleophile. Third one is, as benzene has electron cloud, it has pi electron cloud. As it has pi electron cloud means what happens? Due to pi electron cloud, it repels the nucleophile. The nucleophile will be repelled by the benzene ring. Due to this electron cloud repel the benzene ring. That's why it cannot show nucleophilic substitution reaction. But generally it shows which reaction? Electrophilic substitution, because due to pi electron cloud, due to availability of pi electron cloud. As pi electron cloud is available, so it is attacked by electrophile, because electrophile is electron deficient, so easily attacked by benzene. So generally the if you take chlorobenzene, the normal structure of chlorobenzene, then if you attack electrophile which carry positive charge, the electron deficient, already discussed the resonance structure, ortho position and para position gets more negative charge, so electrophile attack in the chlorobenzene or haloarine, position is ortho or para. These are two positions attacked by electrophile, but para position is more stable. It is the major product, it is the major, it is the minor. This is the chemical properties of haloarine. So how can you write this? What are the reaction of haloarine? Let us discuss. First reaction, we can say that halogenation we can write in this way. Already we have read in the class 11th in the benzene chapter. So you can draw, suppose chlorobenzene, this is your chlorobenzene, this is the structure of chlorobenzene. You can write this. Chlorobenzene R is ortho-para substituted product. If you write chlorine and aluminum chloride, already know the next substitution will be at ortho and para. Ortho and para. This is also, this is called halogenation. This reaction is called chlorination or halogenation. If use nitration, nitric acid and sulfuric acid, here aluminum chloride and chlorine generally electrophile is Cl plus, it is generally produce Cl plus as a electrophile. HNO3 sulfuric acid generally produce NO2 plus as a electrophile. So product will be nitro substituted product, chlorine ortho plus para. And para product generally major product. Then this is called nitration. This reaction is called nitration, halogenation, nitration. And if you use Rx, that is haloalkane, if you use in presence of same aluminum chloride, the product is same chlorobenzene, here methyl group, plus another is chlorobenzene, here methyl group. This reaction is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Already you know in class 11, this reaction is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. But this is called halogenation. This reaction is called halogenation. Halogenation. This reaction is called nitration. This is only for aromatic compound. And acylation is possible if you do acylation, that RCOX if you use and aluminum chloride, the product is same product, that COCH3 plus chlorine COCH3, and this is called acylation. This reaction is called Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. First one is alkylation, because alkyl group is substituting. Here this is acetyl group. But instead of RCOX, you can use RCO whole 2. You can use also, you can use RCO whole 2O. We can use also, instead of RCOX, you can use RCO whole, that is anhydride. If you use anhydride, you will get also acetylation. This is called acylation. Acetyl group is substituted. This is called acylation, alkylation, nitration, halogenation, and that is also sulfonation is also possible. Sulfonation, you can use sulfuric acid. If you use concentrated sulfuric acid, the product is sulfonation. Chlorine, here electrophile is SO3. Here electrophile is RCOX plus and minus. Here electrophile is plus and minus. Here R plus is electrophile. Here RCO plus is electrophile. Here NO2 plus is electrophile. Here Cl plus is electrophile. Here SO3 will be electrophile. So chlorine remains same. Either here SO3H plus chlorine SO3H. So this is called sulfonation. This reaction is called sulfonation. It is called sulfonation. This reaction is called sulfonation. So sulfonation, nitration, halogenation, acylation, alkylation, these are the some important electrophilic substitution reaction of aromatic compound here haloarine. Haloarine as due to resonance, orthoposition, paraposition getting more negative charge, so electrophile gets substituted at orthoposition and paraposition. In all cases you see ortho and para product are produced due to substitution of specific electrophile at ortho and para position. So what are the other reaction of haloarine? Let us discuss remaining. Haloarine reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, produce what? Dibenzene. Produce dibenzene. You can write here, produce dibenzene. So this is called Fittig reaction. This reaction is called Fittig reaction. Fittig. This is called Fittig reaction. But same haloarine, take haloarine, reacts with RX in presence of sodium metal and dry ether. This is called, your product will be higher member haloarine, because it depends upon the substitution of R. This reaction is called Wurtz-Fittig. It is called Wurtz-Fittig reaction. So you have to remember the name reaction. What are the name reaction used in every chapter? Please note down the name reaction. It is very important in your competitive examination also. So Fittig reaction and Wurtz reaction. If you take iodobenzene, if you take only iodobenzene and copper powder and heat, the product is your dibenzene, same like previous. This specific reaction, this is called your Ullmann reaction. This is called Ullmann reaction. Ullmann reaction. Preparation of dibenzene from iodobenzene, here chlorobenzene, higher aromatic compound, chlorobenzene, dibenzene. This is a Fittig reaction and Wurtz reaction like this. So preparation of you can add one method of preparation also you can add, that's very important. You can prepare iodobenzene from diazonium salt, that you add this one. This reaction also you can add. You have not written here. Diazonium salt when react with your copper and HCl. When diazonium salt reacts with cuprous halides, product is chlorobenzene, haloarine. That is called your Sandman reaction. But when BDC reacts with copper and HCl, producing chlorobenzene, same reaction, same product. But this reaction is called Gattermann reaction. This specific reaction you note down there. Gattermann reaction. This is called Gattermann reaction. BDC convert to chlorobenzene using copper and HCl. This is called Gattermann reaction. So iodobenzene convert to dibenzene using copper powder, that is Ullmann. Chlorobenzene to higher haloarine, that is Wurtz-Fittig. Chlorobenzene to chlorobenzene convert to dibenzene, that is Fittig reaction. So these are important that substitution reaction of haloarine, then how can you increase the rate of nucleophilic substitution? Already we discussed nucleophilic substitution reaction is very slow in case of haloarine, but how can you increase the reactivity of haloarine towards nucleophile? It depends, as you know, that chlorobenzene, if you see, chlorobenzene has pi electron cloud. This is a pi electron cloud. So nucleophile cannot attack. Nucleophile carry negative charge. When it is come closer, when nucleophile come closer, it is repelled by the benzene ring. Benzene ring is repelling nucleophile. So reaction is very slow. So how can you increase the reactivity towards nucleophile? And you have to substitute some electron withdrawing group in the aromatic rings. If you substitute some electron withdrawing group, suppose nitro group, if you substitute here, then use that nucleophile, suppose aqueous KOH will give, then reaction somewhat, and temperature, heat and pressure, then reaction, if heat and pressure, if you give, the reaction will be somewhat produce substituted phenol. Substituted phenol will produce. But required temperature, pressure and required for the breaking of this halogen, required high temperature and pressure. If without nitro group, required very high pressure, that reaction also you can get varied. This compound will react with aqueous KOH, but at 623 K and 300 atm pressure, it gives phenol. It is substitution is possible. Nucleophile substitution is possible, but specific condition. Condition is very high temperature 623 K and very high pressure 300 atm. Then the bond will breaks. This bond will breaks by the nucleophile. Attacking nucleophile can be easily done, but this reaction will be very fast. This chlorine can be easily substituted by nucleophile if you substitute that electron withdrawing group. When it will convert to that repeated nitration, chlorobenzene when undergo repeated nitration, it will produce trinitrochlorobenzene. This trinitrochlorobenzene, what happens? It withdraw all the pi electron cloud towards the nitro group. So this nitro group, electron withdrawing group, it removes the electron cloud from the benzene ring. That's why when you substitute any nucleophile, suppose aqueous KOH, if you do aqueous KOH, then easily produce under warm, just warm water, just hot water if you use, then the result will be what? Phenolic derivative. Nitro group here, nitro group. So the Cl can be substituted by OH, but condition is you have to use nitro group, electron withdrawing group. So what I want to tell you, that chlorobenzene generally does not show nucleophile substitution reaction, but under this condition, when the benzene ring gets substituted by electron withdrawing group, the nucleophile substitution will be faster. So this is the and this reaction, that is direct halochlorobenzene can convert to phenol industrially. This method is possible in industry. This reaction is called generally Dow's process. This is called Dow's process. You write down also one name reaction. This is called Dow's process. Direct chlorobenzene can convert to phenol, but under this condition. But chlorobenzene can be converted to phenolic derivative easily if you substitute some electron withdrawing group which removes electron cloud from the benzene ring so that nucleophile can easily attack. So these are some important physical and chemical properties of haloarine. Okay, in the next class we will discuss some mechanism of the reaction of haloalkane and haloarine. Okay, thank you all.